Hello and welcome to our video about what to expect during your first chiropractic appointment. Whether you're seeking relief from pain or simply trying to improve your overall well-being, chiropractic care can be a great choice. However, if you've never been to a chiropractor before, it's natural to feel a little nervous or unsure about what to expect. In this video, we'll take you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident and prepared for your first appointment. Your first appointment with a chiropractor will typically begin with a consultation and examination. Your chiropractor will want to get to know you and your health history, as well as understand your current symptoms or concerns. During the examination, your chiropractor may perform various tests and assessments to evaluate your range of motion, muscle strength, and spinal alignment. After the consultation and examination, your chiropractor will typically perform adjustments to your spine or other areas of your body that are causing pain or discomfort. These adjustments involve the application of controlled force to specific joints, with the goal of restoring proper alignment and function. You may hear popping or cracking sounds during the adjustment, which is perfectly normal. Some patients may experience mild soreness or stiffness after the adjustment, but this is typically temporary and can be alleviated with ice or heat. So, that's what you can expect during your first chiropractic appointment. Remember, chiropractic care is a safe and effective way to improve your overall health and well-being, and your chiropractor is there to help you every step of the way. We hope this video has helped you feel more confident and prepared for your first appointment. Thanks for watching.